Hello, I'm Louise Vesper.
And I'm Callum Reed-Hutchings.
We're barristers at Gatehouse Chambers and we work in construction and insurance. We're going to be talking about current issues in the construction, insurance and professional indemnity sectors. We're approaching this topic from the perspective of practicing barristers, as you'd imagine. So coming from the coalface of dispute resolution, we'll be talking about what we're seeing happening when things have gone wrong and a dispute has arisen between policyholders and their insurers. The issues and arguments that we see coming up and the arguments that parties are running.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm going to be taking you through two topics that sit at the absolute heart of construction disputes, and they do come up time and time again in practice. And we're talking about subrogation and claims between co-insured and the interpretation of policy terms, exclusion and limits.
And there are two topics I'm going to address, which I see coming up regularly in the context of construction professional indemnity insurance, or CPII, and those are notification and aggregation. These are issues which are coming up often in the context of defects in external wall systems of high-rise developments, the most obvious of which are fire safety defects related to cladding, insulation and cavity barriers. And in outline, those two issues can be defined as follows. First, when can an insured notify in order to benefit from the extension to cover for notified claims, and when must an insured notify to avoid the claim being excluded? And second, what level of unity is required for an insurer to aggregate losses under a policy to a single unifying factor? We look forward to you joining us. Thank you very much.